All right, guys. So I've been here all day. Don't put a fraud alert on your report, okay? Freeze it if you must. But this was a disaster because there was a fraud alert that I didn't even put on my credit bureaus, okay? But anyways, let me show you. I'm saying bye to my baby. All right, this is the X5 that I was telling you guys about. And I just got me my X7. So all of everybody can fit. But listen, I'm going to turn this around. I'm not really able to. But look at this. Guys, they're exactly the same. They're exactly the same color. I got some little upgrades with this one. But guess what? Now I'm satisfied and I'm happy. And they were happy to do business with me. You know why? Because my credit was impeccable. Get with me. I got you.